All right, well, I realized I never did like a proper introduction of the car, I guess you could say, of it being completed. So here's what we got. This is my Yokomo YD-2S. I did go with its Yokomo Chaser body. The paint on it is a Tamiya mustard yellow, and basically just wanted to go with a nice simple paint job. I went through a couple different wheels till I actually like these. I usually am not a fan of white wheels, but I'm kind of digging these. Still a little unsure of the wing, so if you notice, it's actually just double-sided taped on here right now. That way I don't make any permanent holes if I decide to take it off. So still not 100% sure what I want to do there yet, but it's working out pretty good. You can kind of see the back. I actually do have the little exhaust coming out there then too, to give you that effect. But really liking the way this thing looks. Works real well, handles real well. I'm very happy. So I did use magnetic body mounts on it, which makes it nice. I can pretty much just pop them off, and they're just mounted up in there. Kind of dig the way that works. It's the first time ever doing that on a car, so it worked out well. So basically what we have here is there's the magnetic mounts. Kind of went with a basic setup because I have no idea how to set up a drift car, so I'm still learning. The Yokomo gyro, which did come with the car. I have a Spectrum steering servo, Castle Mamba X, which is actually, it's a 3800 kV system, working real well. Can't say enough about how well it's working, and I actually have it turned down to like 50% because it's way too much power. Using a Gens Ace 5000 milliamp shorty pack. That works out real nice in there as well, and just uses the bullet ends, just plug right into the battery. So pretty simple, straightforward setup. So using Spectrum, and I also have the Bluetooth link for the Castle system in here as well. Tried to keep it fairly clean, fairly straightforward, but it makes it real easy to use my phone, make some changes, which is what I was doing. You're about to see in some of the following footage. It was the first time actually trying to get on a track and give it a try. And didn't go so well at the beginning, but we learned and sort of faked our way through it. So I was real happy. By the end of the night, had this thing working pretty good. Unfortunately, we did get some bad news. A couple days later, we found out the place we were at is closing its doors. So that was my first time to that track, and unfortunately last time. So we're gonna search for somewhere else to go, but we'll figure something out here. We even got our little Elmo peaker coming out here. So I hope you enjoy the following footage, and yeah, just enjoy and don't laugh too hard at all our mistakes.
Actually, our game is not really good. How did we catch up with him? I was really not sure that. Oh, light one. Cover day.
There we go.
You finally get that with it now. No, you are getting it though. You're actually like getting it down really good. How did we catch up with them already? I was waiting up pretty bad. We call us to the highway stations. Oh, Derek's coming through.
That was me.
No, Derek's almost hit it too.
can't find it outside.
Well, we'll bring it back. Better? Once you probably bury your throttle more.
Yeah, I do. I have a lot more throttle. Derek, you're losing a wheel.
It has no purpose.
Well, by the end of the night, from what you just saw, we did actually get quite a bit better. All of us were sort of tuning a little bit. We definitely learned a lot of stuff being on the drift track for the first time, and figuring out what to do, how to set certain things up. I still got a long way to go. Got a couple other things I'm going to try, but appreciate you watching. If you were able to make it through the video all that far, thanks for watching. Hopefully there'll be a lot more drift content to come. We just got to find another track to go to. As I said earlier, unfortunately the track we were at has closed its doors and is no longer going to be open. Kind of a bummer because we just found the place, so we found it just a little too late. But thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it, and I got some really cool projects coming. We're gonna see them soon, so stay tuned. Remember, get out there and just have some fun. Thanks. Peace.